Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bri. So as you can tell, I am in a complete different background. I am in my kitchen. I was gonna film this standing up, but my tripod wouldn't go high enough, so I had to pull a chair and sit down while I filmed my intro. But today's video is going to be totally different from what I've made in the past. So I am going to attempt to film a cooking video, but it's not just an ordinary cooking video. I am going to be cooking with HelloFresh. I am so excited because I've been wanting to try HelloFresh. If you guys don't know what HelloFresh is, it is basically a food company that delivers your food for you, but it's not just groceries, it is actual recipes. So they are supposed to deliver basically everything you need to make food. So many YouTubers have been making videos with HelloFresh, so I wanted to give it a try. I wish I was sponsored. Let me just make a disclaimer. This is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, but if anyone would like to sponsor me, I am here for it. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. So I want to say HelloFresh is about $6.99 or $8.99 per serving, but if you use someone's discount code, you do receive your first 8 meals for free. So I used Nazan and Kavari's discount code. You can basically search up any YouTuber that is sponsored by HelloFresh and they'll have a discount code, and you'll receive kind of like a free trial basically, because you receive your first 8 meals for free, so you can try it out. So for my subscription, I went with the classic plan. I have like 3 or 4 different plans, but I just went with the classic plan, and I did it for 2 days. So I will receive my order every Saturday, and it literally just got here. I haven't opened it because I wanted to kind of unbox it with you guys. You can skip a week if you want to. If you know you're going to be on vacation or you just don't feel like receiving it from them, you can definitely skip it. The reason I wanted to try HelloFresh was because I tend to cook Mexican food because I am 100% Mexican, and I love it, but it can be really unhealthy. And right now I am really working on myself and my body and trying to lose weight and tone up. So I wanted more options, and the good thing about HelloFresh is that it's more portion controlled, because I will make food for like 5 or 6 people and it's just 2 of us. So then it's easier for us to get seconds or get thirds, and we end up overeating. But the nice thing about HelloFresh is that it's only food for 2 people. No one's gonna end up overeating. They are controlled portions. They're good but healthy controlled portions. They have so many different options to choose from. I really hope that this helps me get out of my comfort zone, learn new recipes, cook a little bit healthier, and save me time, because these meals are supposed to be around 30 to 45 minutes, which is super quick, and it saves me time going to the grocery store, because I hate going to the grocery store. I love being an adult, but one thing that I hate is going to the freaking grocery store. I just don't like it. Getting my food delivered right at my door is so convenient for me, because I just sometimes don't have time or energy to go to the grocery store, deal with lines, go through every aisle. Nobody has time for that. So if you guys want to see how the HelloFresh box came, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so this box is pretty heavy. It's just a little paper. I guess they're having a special for Mother's Day. So these are actually our recipes. Like I said, we picked 2. I tend to cook about 3 to 4 times a week, so I don't just want to cook with HelloFresh. I also want to make my own recipes, because I make some bomb Mexican food. So I just wanted something quick and easy for at least 2 days of the week. The first thing that we picked was the beef tenderloin and shallot pan sauce with garlic, herb, cream, kale, and mashed potatoes. So that is what it looks like. And then The full recipe is in the back. I'm actually gonna cook this today. The second recipe I got, I know I said that I wanted to get away from Mexican food, but we love Mexican food, and obviously this food is not gonna be like the food that I cook. But we did pick sirloin carne asada tacos with Southwest crema and pickled salsa. So basically just like a pico de gallo. They look pretty good. Total time is 25 minutes. Wow. Total time for this one is 40 minutes. So this is what it looks like. So at the bottom is where it has these ice things, and that is where the meat is. So here is, so it comes with the steak for the carne asada tacos, and then it comes with the beef tenderloin. That's the only thing it comes with, you guys. Honestly, this is big enough just to feed my fiance, and that's about it. He would probably have like 2 of these, and I would have half because I'm not like that much of a meat lover. But so that's nice. Everything, you don't have to worry about things going bad. It has ice, kind of like refrigerated. I don't know about that beef tenderloin. Does not look like a lot of food. How is this for 2 people? Okay, I guess we're really gonna eat portion control. I'm just gonna show you guys what is in the carne asada tacos. Everything comes in this cute little bag. I'm not gonna be using this today, but I'll just show you guys what's in here. So there are 6 flour tortillas, a chile, which looks pretty fresh, some garlic, some cilantro, a tomato, which pretty good, feels pretty good, some sour cream. Definitely gonna need more than that, but I guess this is the whole point of this, is to eat healthier. So this is a good amount of sour cream. Don't add more. The Southwest, this is chile, like chili powder. And oh, it comes with 2 sour creams, my bad. This is not garlic, this is a shallot. And then it comes with these cute little tequila looking bottles. Oh, it's white wine vinegar. I'm just gonna put this aside because we did Mexican food yesterday and I had enough of that. We're gonna be cooking today. It is the beef tenderloin and shallot pan sauce. I don't know what a shallot is, so I'm gonna look it up. Oh, so it's basically an onion and is used for pickling or a substitute for an onion. I had never heard of that. I wonder if I'm even saying it right. So this is the kale. Chives. Roasted garlic herb butter. Sour cream. So I think this is like a beef glaze. I guess like a marinade. It says wine, vegetable juices, milk, beef stock. Yeah, so kind of like a marinade. Shallot. I don't know. I just cook with onions. And some potatoes. We have 2, 4, 5 potatoes, and then obviously our beef tenderloin. So that's what comes in the bag. So now let's get cooking. Please make sure you wash your hands before cooking. Okay, so the first step is to put some salt water onto boil and wash and dry your potatoes and cut them into tiny pieces. So I'm just gonna dump the potatoes into the boiling water, and I did add a little bit of salt. So I just rinsed my kale and my chives. I'm just gonna be cutting these into smaller pieces. So the potatoes are now boiled and soft. It does say to keep some water in there and keep it on low. So now I'm just gonna be adding the butter. I love garlic butter. Now I'm just adding the sour cream. So now I'm just gonna smash them with my little bean smasher. Okay, you guys, so unfortunately my camera overheated, but all I did was heat up the pan with a little bit of olive oil, and I added the kale. I did salt. I also added garlic salt, and then I did a splash of water. I did about 2/3 of a cup. So I'm just cooking this for about 5 minutes. Okay, guys, so I did put the beef tenderloin back here with some olive oil. And then all I'm going to do is add some salt and pepper to both sides. I'm going to cook both sides for about 7 minutes. So the meat is now cooked and it smells amazing. So it says to take it off the pan and let it sit on the side. So in that same pan where you cooked your meat in, you want to put some olive oil back in, and then you want to put the shallots, which is, they're basically like tiny onions. And it says to just brown them for a little bit. Now you're supposed to add the glaze that it comes with. And it says to add about 1/4 cup of water. Here's the final result. It looks and it smells so good. I'm definitely gonna be doing a taste test, so stay tuned. But that's what it's supposed to look like. And then there's mine. It's actually a lot of food. I probably won't be able to eat all of that.
First, get the wine.
Taste test.
I'll let you know if it's good. Is this the food you ordered?
Yeah.
It's good. Really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, so my meal is complete. It is time to taste it. Cooking has me looking a little oily, so excuse that. Well, first off, I already know the mashed potatoes are gonna be bomb because I already tasted them. I couldn't help myself. They're so good. The kale's good too. I think I added too much salt, but it's good. So, time for the meat. The meat's good, the sauce gives it a lot of flavor. So this meal was definitely a success. The mashed potatoes were hands down my favorite, and they were super easy to make. I think if I wasn't filming, this would have for sure taken me like 30 to 40 minutes. HelloFresh gets a 10 out of 10, and I am looking forward to making more meals and getting more recipes from them. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys liked it, if you guys want to see more videos of me cooking with HelloFresh, if you guys just want to see like my own recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.